A rolling garden scooter can be a great addition to your gardening shed, which can help alleviate bodily strain as you garden. To help you find the best garden scooter for your needs, I put together this buying guide, where I review the 5 best rolling garden scooters, explain why you need one, and point out features to watch out for. Number 1. Pure Garden 82 VY021 Garden Cart Rolling Scooter. Just as you would expect, Pure Garden is a brand of products and accessories made for using in your garden, which also includes their affordable entry-level garden scooter. This Pure Garden 82 VY021 garden scooter comes at the 3rd position of this list as it is the cheapest option present in this article, and as you would expect from an entry-level model like this one, it comes with a weight capacity of 200 pounds. You are expected to get such an average weight capacity since it comes with 3-inch wheels which are not smooth at all. Another thing to be expected from a budget option like this one, it has seat height of 13-inch, although, despite being a budget option, you get a pretty good build quality and a 6-month long warranty with this garden scooter. The wheels are 3 inches wide and they can easily roll over soft grass. This is a great model if you don't know whether or not you need a garden scooter. It is super inexpensive, and if you don't use it for gardening, there are plenty of other uses for it. This is a great example of a low-cost trial garden scooter. You can always upgrade down the line if you need to. Pros: affordable garden scooter, decent weight capacity, good build quality, comes with a 6-month long warranty. Cons: uses small and low-quality wheels. Number 2, AMES Buddy Lawn Cart Garden Scooter. Although this may not technically be a lawn scooter, the AMES Buddy Lawn Cart is such a versatile product it is definitely worth putting on this list. It can easily be rolled around the yard and can carry just about anything you might need. It has a 2 cubic foot storage capacity that can hold plants, tools, or refreshments anywhere they might be needed. It can be used either as a garden scooter, or if you flip the handle up, it can be pushed like a cart. The lid on top is sturdy enough to support your full weight, so if you want to use it while you do yard work, you can do that too. The wheels are 7 inches in diameter wheels, and solid steel axles allow you to wheel this cart around steadily and confidently. There are hundreds of things you can use this cart for, you just need to use your imagination. It features 2 drink holders so you don't have to get up every time to have your water, and you can easily carry it. A pull strap to make your way in any direction, a removable basket, and a foam cushion. The foam cushion on the top of the scooter provides comfort while you sit on it, plus you can also remove it and use it as a kneeling pad. Key features: handle flips up easily to pull cart, easily moves, a large internal storage area, interior dimensions 12 inches by 20 inches. Number 3, Suncast Outdoor Rolling Garden Scooter. The Suncast GDS 200D garden scooter is very similar in appearance to the AMES Buddy Lawn Cart but has a few major exceptions. The first being is that it is significantly less expensive, and also it is specifically designed to be a gardening companion. The portable seat allows you to keep all of your gardening tools inside and is able to hold 5 gallons worth of yard clippings. It also comes with a foam cushion that makes for a comfortable resting place, and it has 2 drink holders. This makes the Suncast garden scooter the ultimate gardening companion, and I wouldn't want to garden without it. The Suncast Outdoor Rolling Garden Scooter is perfect for someone who wants to carry a lot of tools with them. The lightweight design made from durable plastic further assists the user who intends to carry a lot around with them, and its comfy foam cushion, which can be removed and used as a kneeling pad, is ideal for offsetting all that hard work of pulling around those heavy tools. It also sports 2 drink holders, a small bin, and a strap that can be used to pull this scooter to its desired location. Pros: 2 drink holders, pull strap for easy transport, removable accessories basket. The seat is about 14.5 inches from the ground. Cons: it is not ideal for carrying bulky weight. Number 4, Best Choice Products 4-Wheel Garden Cart. You can find a wide range of products from Best Choice Products which come under different categories. Thankfully, all of its offerings, including this garden scooter, are highly reliable. Best Choice Products garden scooter comes at the 2nd position of this list as it is the most durable and reliable option present in this article. It also offers a decent weight capacity of 300 pounds, which is always great to have. Another great thing about this garden scooter is that its seat height of 23 inch is quite decent. You also get 10-inch wheels with it, although the wheels are not the smoothest. Coming to the best thing about this garden scooter is that it offers an excellent build quality along with a 2-year long warranty. Also, it features a height-adjustable swivel seat design which enhances convenience when out working in the garden. The front turn bar can swing a whole 90 degrees, making the scooter easy to maneuver, thus, you will be able to steer from one station to another without breaking a sweat. Best features, rated at a weight capacity of 300 pounds, seat height of 23-inch, includes 10-inch wheels, comes with a 2-year-long warranty. Number 5, Karma's product Steerable Garden Stool Cart. When compared with other options in this article, Karma's is a lesser-known brand, but yet, it manages to offer a few decent gardening tools and products to its users, as the Karma's garden scooter is a cart made out of high-quality materials. It can be a viable heavy-duty option. For starters, you get a very common weight capacity of 300 lbs with this garden scooter, making it highly versatile. You also get a seat height of 21 inches with this garden scooter, which is also adjustable if needed. On the front, you will find a tools tray and a basket for storing items easily. Even though you get a 1-year-long warranty with this garden scooter, its build quality is a bit on the average side. Its wheels are equally as mighty, boasting 10-inch pneumatic tires, which in conjunction with the extendable handle makes it easy to steer on a wide variety of terrains. The 360-degree rotating seat is also adjustable, allowing you to get as low as you need to. It also comes with a capacious basket and carton, so you'll always have somewhere to keep those essential tools. Best features, rated at a weight capacity of 300 pounds, seat height of 21-inch, includes 10-inch wheels, comes with a 1-year-long warranty.